Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. We had 5 trade signals yesterday. Here they are. And what I want to do with this video is go through them, have a look, see how they played out. But more importantly, just confirm with you how this dynamic target and stop loss concept that I've been talking about works. If you've watched my other videos, have a look at the videos I've done on grow your Forex or your prop firm account. In the last few videos I've mentioned this concept, but let's just nail this in this video so that we're really clear. The key to making money in this space is having a solid trading plan and sticking to it. All right. So now I did break the rules a bit yesterday. We're going to have a look at that. In fact, we'll just address that first up. I did 2 videos yesterday. If you go down, this is the free trader zone, by the way. You're welcome to join. The link is below. Love to see you in here. I did a video on the euro dollar and the Dow. Now, in the euro dollar, I was talking about the possibility of the market pulling back, retracing, and that happened. In the euro dollar, I specifically mentioned looking to take profits around the session times, the Asia close, the New York open. So this one, we're good. With this Dow Jones, however, I did say in the video that I would look to add to my position and build my short position if it pulled back. That's what I want to address in this video. And let's get really clear about how we approach this concept of the dynamic target and stop loss. So this is what I've been talking about in the last few videos that I've done. The videos on how to grow your account. Right, so here it is. Let's just have a look at the, we'll go with the US30. We'll start off with that one and then we'll have a look at the rest. So we had 5 trade signals. Here they are here. You get a framework to start with. The trade signals will always be generally, this is an hourly chart, but I'm generally looking at the 4-hour. We get entry, stop, target 1 and 2, right? There they are. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, the targets and stop loss is dynamic insofar as here's a starting point. And if it happens to go against from this point onwards and a stop gets taken out, well, that's fine. That's the plan. You've got to have somewhere to start. It's very rare that happens. But this is a starting point. Now, let's talk about the dynamic stop loss and target idea. We'll go into TradingView here. So here we are. This is the US30. What I've done is I've highlighted these 5 trades that we took last night in green. Okay, so we'll just run through them. Here's the thing. If you've been watching my previous videos on how to grow your account, we talk about, we enter the trade, and we're looking at the Asia session close and the New York open times for the opportunity to take 2/3 of our position out. As it was, this traded in our favor. Here's the Asian close, here this line, and look what we got. Okay, so we did get quite a nice move here. So we closed 2/3 of our position, pull the stop loss down to wherever. This is in the money. However, in the US30 video, I mentioned that I'd be looking to build my short position if it pulled back. Given that the higher time frame's bearish, I would look to add to my position here and go for a higher time frame outcome. Guys, my bad on that one, and I'm going to call this one a stop loss hit. I won't be mentioning this idea of adding to your position in future videos. It's so important to have a set trading plan. Okay, that idea is out the window. So let's just come back to how we manage these trades. Okay, we get the entry point. We look at the Asia close for the opportunity for a T1, and again around the New York open. Right, as it was, we had that opportunity there, and that could have been a winning trade, but because I mentioned this thing about adding to the position here, I'm going to call this one a stop loss hit. So if I pull this over, US30, okay, stop loss was hit. Apart from that, here's an invite to join VIP, by the way, guys. think there's about 34, 35 trades here. We've had 2 stop losses taken out. It's not a bad track record. So let's have a look at these other trades running with our strategy. So that video, okay, mentioned that this could pull back, and it did pull back, right? So that's not ideal. And in this video, I did specifically say take your money and run at these times. So this one gets a tick. All right, entry. Why did we enter? There's our signal here, the dot, the divergence. These orange zones telling us that we have a higher time frame resistance level. Entry, London Open here. We got an opportunity down here as well as here in the into the Asian close, just after the Asian close. 2 opportunities. This is a dynamic target, so this becomes T1. At that point, we pull our stop loss down, we tighten it up and let it get taken out if that's the case here, and we've made money. Let's just start from the top. Euro pound, running with the strategy. This was a buy. Okay, entry was here, and we're looking for the opportunity now. So it's the Asian close here. We didn't get much, so we don't bother with that. No, we want a little bit more out of it. Let it go. It wicked down. We're still in the trade. Came back up. Okay, so see this yellow line? This is a daily level. We've got these on our indicators. We want to take notice of these. We've got this dot telling us that it's overextended. We're heading into the New York Open. This is it, guys. This is T1. So that's where we take 2/3. Pull our stop loss up to wherever, and it's a winning trade. The Euro Yen, okay, same thing. This is why we want to secure profits between the London Open and the New York Open. Entry, nothing much happened here. It went up, back down. Okay, here's your opportunity. Have a look at what we've got on our indicators here. Just have a look at this section. See these dots, these green dots running through? Okay, that's telling us that this is a key level here that we should take notice of. See these lines here and here? These are our divergence lines, and we've got this dot telling us the market's overextended. Right in here, we've got everything telling us to take our money out. Okay, so that becomes T1. We're looking at the Asia close and the New York Open for the opportunities. Take 2/3, pull your stop loss down and let it go. It's in the money. Euro dollar we looked at, the pound yen was the other one. Same thing again here. Just look at this opportunity here. Okay, so we enter. Short, nothing much happened. Asia closed, nothing happened. We leave it alone, let it play out. So as we approach the New York Open, look what we get. You see that dot? We've had this move. That becomes T1. Take 2/3 out, pull your stop loss down, and just let it work itself out from there, and we're in the money. And then, of course, the US30. I'm going to call this one a stop loss hit, even though if we'd actually followed the rules that we're talking about, that would have been T1, and this would have been in the money. But in the video, I mentioned adding to the position, so we're going to call that a losing trade. Okay, so here it is. Trade signals every day. I had 6 the day before, I think 5 yesterday. Now we're achieving some pretty nice results here. So I'll wrap up the video, and here's an invite. Discord is free. Click the link below, jump on board, go to the next level. Up here, join VIP, and this link, do the math, guys. This is incredible value, and there's other options here. Okay, so with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. I'll see you in the next video.